subject, where it comprises everything about person's ability and person's cognitive reasoning on computational models, especially kung programming ang pinag-uusapan. Okay? So this time, ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung buong discussion for the entire periods starting from prelim up to finals. So half of that portion, starting from the introduction to artificial intelligence, that will be part of your study under first periodical until we entirely apply dun sa prelim topics. So sunod-sunod yun until May. Okay? So hindi naman tayo magiging 100% intact sa mismong subject kasi wala naman kayong laboratory. This is exactly how your reasoning works and how do you understand the subject matter. With regards to my grading system, again, meron lang akong changes dun sa minor and major. So, ginawa ko 25 instead of 20. Yung major exam, ginawa ko 35 instead of 40. Okay, para hindi masabi na 40% ang nag-order. So, kung ikaw ay nag-fail with regards to the activity ay impose at fail ay hatak kahit meron ka pang 20% o 10% sa class study. Attendance is also included in the assignment and syllabus. So basically, I jive that portion of your punctuality. Alright. Let us okay, let us start now our overview and context of this subject, intelligence systems. Doon muna tayo sa context of the word intelligence. So what does it mean? It means that a person wants think of an idea that might be a brighter or trigger something that might trigger the person's happiness and enjoyable excitement. That means na-perceive niya na. No? Na-infer niya na yung knowledge. So that is how intelligence comes from. And basically, when the wisdom and understanding and knowledge are basically jive to one another. So doon nakikita yung presence of intelligence. Ability to perceive, ability to infer, and ability to retain the information so that ito yung knowledge na yon ay can be applied or will be applied to something else. That knowledge is to be applied again to adaptive behaviors within environment, within your peers, or within your relatives, or within a context. Kasi hindi lang naman matter na mayroong study, may education. Intelligence is something else. Or in and out, both sides. It can also be defined as the ability to solve complex problems. So So kung ang reasoning ay mabilis at adaptable, I can do such decisions very, very equitable, equitable rather, decisions. Definitely, it will benefit the actor, it will benefit the person, and this intelligence has evolved in life forms. It's already evolved. Not only has, but it already in resides, so that the individual or a person may adapt to diverse environments in order for them to survive, in order for them to reproduce. So just imagine, pag nakaisip ka ng magandang idea, then that's it. No? The activity of intelligence, the presence of that intelligence is function. Meron, nag-ooperate. Na-process mo na. Now, when it comes to the word systems, definitely we declare it as a set of things of working together. So imagine your smartwatch, how they are working together. It's because yung functionality niya ay may movement ng oras, may movement ng minutes, milliseconds, seconds. And aside from that, may picture pa siya ng light, may picture pa siya ng sound. So all that in the wearable device use special ability in order to enhance its own functionality and the user experience that functionality. It offers, once a person has it, a not only what I have said earlier, actually before, uh, that these cool features of the smartwatch device can have a determination or can have a predictions to pose no, yung health conditions of the person, especially when you do use the use when you use it in for tracking the fitness or a personalized coaching. That is how, exactly how the AI is supposed to do. Behavior, insights, and many more. So, like in the industry, as you have seen on the right side, so they are all might really be a probable uh, 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 idea na pwedeng magamit sila in like interrelated. Okay? So the question lang yan ay uh, are they all uh, in complex entity? Pwede, no? Pwedeng hindi. So kahit mo sila nasa iba-ibang lugar, as long as they have the connections. So yan pa rin ay natatawag na system. So, kung may kanya-kanya ring system, like for example, in a part of human being, so we have the anatomical, anatomical systems. Uh, may mga respective functionalities din ang nangyayari. So, as long as that set of things na sinasabi are working together, we call it as a system. School, working together, they have the system. So there is no such thing for every person or entity na walang ginagawa. Kasi pag walang ginagawa, definitely patayan. Okay? So, areas that might cause you to experience uh, a good results coming from a particular uh, schema or an environment that lively or actively uh, triggers that precise system. So pag kinumbine natin yung words ng intelligent, not intelligence, yung intelligent system na mismo ang machine ang tinutukoy. We come up now to the declaring that the intelligent system is basically a system that, okay, can gain and apply knowledge. So if we have a bright idea, that bright idea will now conglomerate to certain elements such as audio components, devices such as computers, sound system, printers, and everything. So pag ganon yung ang sinasabing concept, it entails that intelligent systems are essential. And by the way, intelligent systems per se are essential. Okay? So computer-based systems, uh, the operations reflected that it has an activity to gather, an activity to interpret, an activity to reason, you know, about the data that we have uh, instigated, inputted, and that to process. So instead of following the set of fixed rules, these systems can lean on, learn a hidden structure in the data. It can also extract useful patterns. It can also learn strategies and actions and that maximize rather some reward. Yan yung IS. So madaling salita, itong system din ay kung hindi ito nakikita ng angkop doon sa latag niya, di ba? Kumbaga, hindi mo makikitaan na meron siyang ganung ability. Especially if it has artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence by means of machines or by means of support that will gain, in the person's living, uh, whether it be uh, on compose or not. But after the training on the lots of data, so using a variety, of course, of computational models, that exactly ISA scale is what uh, used for. Systems that gain, systems that apply knowledge. Okay? There are something also that might include kahit wala ng human intervention o kahit mayroong human intervention at kahit hindi rin siya AI powered, meron tayong tinatawag na virtual assistants. Kagaya ng mga samples na nakikita sa mga websites trying to assist, make a good service to people, and that is very helpful. Yeah, if you have a virtual assistants that build program, we might say chatbot is the best. Chatbot is one of the best example, uh, and that uh, regard, these chatbots are AI enabled. Okay, the chat assistant. It's because the reason why they are useful because they can generate personal responses. Parang lang yung nagtanong ka sa operator kung ano yung gagawin at ang operator magbibigay sa iyo ng mga statements, especially kung you are very welcome. So that IS actually works on combinations, both in analytical and cognitive computing based uh, performance. So if we have those combination analytics and cognitive computing base, that precisely works to the person. If you have a past conversations, it could be recorded. So yun din ang nakakatulong. No? Kagaya ng nag-request ka sa isang helpful o help desk at kinabukasan pinalo up mo. So na as until your conversation of the past is available. And that would be helpful. Nowadays, kahit wala na yung mga tulong ng mga real operators, the chatbots itself assist you directly to that responses. Leveraging also the corporate knowledge base and human insight. So it is more advanced pag, than a simple chatbot that we have. Automated din, pero kahit na walang powered by AI, simply it uh, works very well. Lalo na kung maging ano pa yan, magkaroon pa yan ng AI. Kaya lang, meron ng mga disadvantage yan pag gano'n ba ikatatagal ng AI. Okay. There is also a so-called paradigm that we can uh, describe on the intelligence systems. These systems are technologically advanced machines. So doon lang siya na nakikitaan natin na nababagay. Kaya pag doon siya nagamit, so you will be experiencing yung kanyang activity. That machines that has that capability can perceive, can respond to world, to people. Intelligent systems on its own paradigm can take many forms. So hindi lang siya by receiving people or responding to people. It can also take many forms in a form of automated vacuums. Kagaya ng Roomba, no? Marami pa. O it can form into a facial recognition program. Or it can form into a personalized shopping suggestions. So, doon pa lang ay we can recognize merong incorporation ng intelligence system. Hindi lang sa machine, kundi sa mga software natin, software applications. Intelligence system is an advanced computing system that can gather again, no, para hinantunad lang natin doon sa mga ibang nagre-record ng mga previous requests, gaya ng PLDT, gaya ng mga call center companies na may responses within to gather, may responses within to take analysis and responses to that environment. So, kung nakapag-communicate yan and serve as a helpful tool. Okay, so the users will be eventually be uh, much appreciate and happy for that certain operations. Okay. Now, isa pa sa mga masasabi natin na very essential ng intelligence, it can also learn from experience. It can also adapt according to current data. So that is what the expectation to be o expected ng mga agents o users, computer systems, uh, entity, ang intelligent system present. Okay? And what else on the paradigm? We can also uh, identify or recognize the intelligent system to its functionality. The function is to operate, no, in an environment with other users, agents. Another functionality, it possesses cognitive abilities, like for example, perception of the scene, action control, okay, kung ano yung command that precisely uh, being given. Okay? Deliberative reasoning and language use. Also functions follows the certain instructions. Okay? With a behavioral principles based on rationality and based on social norms. And another one, it has a capacity to adapt to so yung composite ideas ang intelligent system should supposed to have these functions ay ay nakikita kaya rin ng sa brain ng tao talaga. Brain ng tao, matalino kilos, matalino gumagawa. Alright? So that is the paradigm itself. A organization, meron kong may tinatawag na implementation, meron tinatawag na operation, at meron methods. Okay. What about examples of this intelligent systems that we uh, are about to uh, impose? They are omnipresent kahit saan, okay? And offer endless possibilities like nakikita nyo dun sa examples sa baba. Robotics, care, finance, chatbots, especially ay Google Maps, ay yung mga map application. And aside from that, yung mga ginagamit for the e-commerce and e-businesses. So, ilan lang yan sa mga sample na makikita nyo as an intelligent system tool. And what else? In the industry, on the on that part of the industry, with regards to transportation, so we have a traffic control system, traffic flow analysis and traffic control congestions, monitoring of those on the road, delivery coordination, autonomous cars, public transportation systems, accident prevention. So those examples can be said as intelligent system. If you have a aerospace equipment, therefore you can have your own drones or probably that aerospace environment might be preparing for airline cockpit controls, space spacecraft monitoring. monitoring or research. Meron pang human identification, facial recognition, or biometric monitoring by means of the use of your eye or your palm or your fingers. Right? In manufacturing as well, in education and climatology aspect. So maraming mapagagamitan na incorporate yung tinatawag nating IS. Uh, Aside from the IS, meron din siyang tinatawag na component, a built-in component for the certain machine to be used. Why? This IoT, the so-called IoT, have the ability to automatically transfer data over a network without human intervention. Okay? So, basta sinabi mo ang gawin, as long as it's been programmed, so therefore, yun lang yung kanyang gagawin. Okay? I remember when I was working at IBM, ang ginawa ko lang doon for the last 12 months is to give them a proper output for their uh, work on macros. So by creating a robotic program, so basically ang gagawin niya, kukunin niya lang yung data na input ni user at robot naman ay pupuntahan naman niya yung web link na usually ginagawa ng empleyado na na instead na 1 hour niya o 2 hours niya ginagawa yung report, magiging mga 20 o 10 minutes lang o 5 minutes lang. Depende sa laki. So, ganun yung uh, sinasabi natin kahit wala ng human intervention or human interaction. But this IoT or the built-in intelligence uses AI, uses 5G, can create uh, that ability with a potential to impact the lives of every level. Again, kanya ay nasa lower level o middle level or higher level classes. So they can experience this so-called IoT. Ang challenge lang sa atin dito, uh, not challenge sa atin, uh, ang binibigay lang sa atin ng application na to, uh, it can be used in factory, it can be used in food service, it can be used in assertive robotics or system robotics rather, military applications as well, medical care, education, entertainment, visual inspection, character recognition, human identification such as facial recognition, biometrics, fingerprint biometrics, iris biometrics, or hand or palm biometrics. Visual surveillance, definitely of the buildings, hotels, streets, on the roads, intelligent transportation. So lahat yan ay na-incorporate yung ganong ability to perceive, ability to infer na ginagamit ng na-invento ng ang challenge lang dyan, as I mentioned a while ago, ang challenge dyan ay yan ba ay tatagal, yan ba ay hindi nakakapagod gamitin o hindi nakakalitong gamitin. Yun lang yung hamon dyan. So, the research of this faces numerous challenges, many of which relate to representing the dynamic physical world computationally, uh, the reason why it has that way because meron ng behavior merong iba-ibang process, merong iba-ibang system. So uncertainty will not be erased. Uncertainty, dynamic world that we have right now changes. Time-consuming computations, continually searching for more, upbeat as well. Right? So there are much transformations that needed. Yung pang hologram, wala pa nga tayo sa hologram. Sa ring intelligence system. So nandun pa lang tayo sa dimension na pwede nating magagamit natin as uh, a factor, no? Para ma-impress natin o magawa natin na impression yung ating ginagamit. Hindi talaga mawawala yung uncertainty. Okay? Any questions? Wala. So, we'll continue. I think hindi tayo makakaabot na kasi hindi tayo sa conflict. Give myself mag-break. Alam niyo naman yung
Nakamamaya pa yun, sir.
sistema. Kailangan kong mag-take the maintenance. Okay. So, no questions at all, class? Can we now continue? Okay, let us proceed to the next one. So, kung may mga challenges out of those challenges, certainly, sa mga sides ng connected dito sa intelligence systems, hindi yan magiging reliable. Hindi yan magiging useful kung hindi present sa kanya yung mga data. Intelligent system works heavily on the data. Okay. It also must have a good algorithm. Pag sinabing good algorithm, well-defined yung instructions, well-defined yung structure. Yeah. Learning is also part of the intelligent systems. The use of those techniques that can adapt and improve the performance certainly will be experienced by the users, by the agents. Automation also a component that might help in reduction of their human efforts. So that is why sa technology and our modern world, hindi na talaga yan maaari. Okay? Part by part, present above present, line by line, as the scripture says. So the intelligent systems are increasingly at play. Kahit nasa labas na, merong controls, merong transportation lighting, diba? Intelligent system yan. Okay?
Tapos yung afternoon session, 2 to 4.
Marami pa sana akong idadagdag. We want to integrate something very, very technical. Because on this area, we need to make sure na yung lahat ng boundaries ay ng ganitong invention, ng ganitong creation ay hindi magkaroon ng failure. So as much as possible, as much as possible nagagamit. as much as possible control. Otherwise, pag it goes beyond, if it goes beyond, parang nanood ka lang ng sine na nagkaroon ng superpower yung name. So, walang accident. Okay? So, IS can be done in machines, can only be present in machines. So, by computational models, we exactly infer this system to the mind of an individual, creating those lines that uh, are sabi natin nababagay doon sa kailangan lang ng tao. Sasakyan, factory, in their respective homes, or even their gadgets or devices that they have. Okay? Kung big data yan, from a peer-to-peer environment to a serial basis, going through your display, uh, so meron mga factors. Mobile devices such as smartphones, antennas, and uh, demodulation machines. Diba? Yan uh, ang malaki ang contribution dyan na tinatawag natin intelligent system. IoT, of course, as I mentioned a while ago. So, in other words, it is integrated, no, doon sa intelligence system na tinatawag ay mabawasan yung, yung judgment ng tao. So it would become now a new value for them, and understanding, a new understanding for them na ito ay very helpful. Data analysis wise, storage wise, transmissions wise. The simple data gathering that has not anymore something has not anymore something to do, got something to do to personal uh, operations. But of course, it will be uh, uh, reflected doon sa ginagamit ng iba. Okay? What I mean is, mga advances na talaga, uh, it it requires to a way na ini-impose niya yung networks natin should be jive and should jive. Intelligence in machines has an AI in itself. So, hindi naman pwede tawagin yung mga machine na mayroong ganun ng capability na wala doon yung incorporation. Now, wala pa akong binabanggit regarding the factors of AI because that is your assignment, which eventually ipapasa nyo na lang yan by in a face-to-face class. Okay? So para magmadali tayo, pwede nyo nang ipasa yan tomorrow itong assignment. Okay? May 14 minutes na lang tayo for this video conferencing natin. Okay? So assignment, in yellow pad, you indicate on writing about your understanding on artificial intelligence. getting its respective concepts and context, definition, uses, and terms. Okay? One yellow pad. Tatawag na ako kasi 30 minutes na lang to. Wala ba question from any of you? Okay? Hindi ko masasabi kung kompleto yung aking aking attendance list o aking listahan dito. Pero kung wala ka, hindi ko nabanggit yung pangalan, remind lang sa inyo, gawa kayo ng listahan ng mga pangalan. Yung mga umattend Okay, beginning from this, open nyo lang yung mic nyo kung magsasabi kayo o magsasalita kayo as I mentioned your name or your last name. Alright. Acebes.
Present po.
Present. Step ko lang to. Ayun, nakita kita, Acebes. Present. Alba, are you there?